Alright, so I'm at Jace's house now. Shout out to him, Trapsy. And yeah, then that's his new bag. I don't get. It's the exact same bag as mine, just different setup.
And color.
Yeah.
I'm getting up age.
Hey, look, it says my name.
And then once I reach,
Where?
why isn't this focusing?
It said, hey, look, there.
Focus.
GG.
Focus brightness.
Oh, okay.
Come on, brightness. Why isn't this focusing? Okay.
Hey, Cortana.
It's not Cortana anymore.
No, it's actually, I turned it back to regular Xbox.
Okay, so once I reach 100 subscribers, I'm giving away either. God, my voice. I'm giving away either the DC or the Hoffman.
Or tires.
Yeah, or just a bunch of tires and grips. I'm gonna add grips into that. And then maybe a few seats. I don't know about the seats yet because I could probably only get like 3 of those. God damn, focus.
Oh,
And that
is
right
it cold outside?
Yeah.
there,
Jace, look.
that's Trapsy's little cousin or Jace's. Is it okay if I say your name?
What?
Your real name.
They know what it is. It's just yours.
All right, so Jace.
It ain't that cold, but it's cold.
So we might be going.
He was bike, but with this.
Oh, that actually gave me some brightness. Am I getting it? That's his bike. And then Jace, we are gonna go sesh out at apps.
Oh, and if you don't have a pair of gloves, what am I saying that? You do. I got you.
If you don't have a pair of gloves.
Yeah, that's cool.
I brought 2. 'Cause I thought it was
All right, so I guess I'll
you don't
see.
really need 'em, just put 'em in the
I guess I'll tell. I'll see you guys at apps. Put it back on.
No,
It's funny looking.
I'm not putting my watch back on for you.
Alright, so you guys see that yellow thing? Or that neon yellow? Yeah.
neon
It's fucking yellow. Fucking shit. But he just had that on his head and he looked like a female. And then he just roasted Gage about his girlfriend. And then how he has bigger tits than all his girlfriends combined. And then, yeah, we made it up to the park. The apartments are that way.
He just laid down. He just laid his bed in dog shit.
Bro, there's dog poop everywhere. Yeah, you look. I do. Alright, so I'm gonna put my gloves on. Then that's Gage's dildo painted handlebars, forks, and chain, and everything else besides the frame.
He uses self-frame his dogs. He uses that on Sammy.
Yeah, and then if you guys don't know, Samson is his great day. But look,
Favorite spot to take it is up the butt.
those are like purple sparkles. Jesus. Jesus Christ. Oh, I got it.
I gotta see what I look like.
Oh.
I gotta see what I look like. Let me watch that back.
Oh no, wait. I will take a picture. Jace, look, Jace. Do it again, do it again. No.
He was pumped in the concrete.
Gage.
Oh yeah. Bring it around town.